Okay, so the purpose of this quick video is to show you how to properly format an MLA document in Drive. You've got to do this from your actual computer. The iPad doesn't have quite the robustness, so you're not able to do some of these formatting functions. So make sure you are logged into a computer when you actually start working on this. So the first thing you're going to do is go into your composition folder, as you can see up here, and you're going to hit Create and go Document. Now there are certain default settings that you'll need to change within Google Drive. The first thing you want to change is your font up here. They automatically do Arial. I'm going to have you do Times New Roman for the sake of consistency. Arial is acceptable to some people, but I just want to make sure that we're all understanding how to do different formats, so use Times New Roman, please. And then the font size. By default, they're at 11-point font, and we want to go to 12. The next thing that you're going to want to do is go to Format and then adjust the line spacing. The line spacing should be double. And then what you'll do from there is you're going to go ahead and type in your name. I'm going to use John Doe again because I'm in his mock folder. You hit return one time. Then you'll type in my name or the other instructor's name. Then you'll type in the course that you're in. I'm doing this as an English 1 honors course, but if you're just an English 1, you can omit the honors. And then you'll type in the date. So I'm going to go ahead and say that it's the 26th of September 2014 because that's the day I'm making this. The key thing here is that the order of the date is the day first, the month spelled in full, and then the year. Never abbreviate the month. Never do the month, comma, or month, day, comma, year. Always day, fully spelled month, and year. You'll then hit return one time. Align center up here. Insert title here. Oopsie, forgot title. And then I misspelled title. Anyhow, your title goes there. Your title should be normal font. If you're citing the title of another piece of literature or an article, you can use italics. But this should not be underlined. It should not be bold. It should not be italics unless it's another title. It should just be normal font. You'll then hit return one more time. Go back to left align. Hit tab one time. And then you write your topic sentence. And you continue on for your paragraph, your initial paragraph. So we've got that basic formatting down. Your name, my name, the course name, the date, a title with normal font, down tab once, and then your topic sentence starting your paragraph. We've also set the font for Times New Roman, 12 point, and it's all double spaced. The one other thing that you got to do is insert a header. So I'm going to insert header. What you'll notice right here is that it reverted to the Arial font and the 11 points. So it goes back to its default. So I want to set that at 12. I want to set it at Times New Roman. And your header is supposed to be in the upper right-hand corner, 1/2 inch down from the top. If you look up here, it's right at the top. So hit return one time. And then you're going to type in your name and hit the space bar once. The one other thing you're going to need is you're going to need to insert page number and top of page. And there I have the last name, no comma, and the page number. If you type in a 1 manually, it's going to show up as a 1 on every single page because the header replicates on every page. So the way to check to make sure that you did it right is to go back to your body and hit enter or return until you get down. And now you see on the second page, it's the last name and the page number 2. Hopefully this will help you to avoid making formatting errors. Again, if you make 4 errors in formatting, you lose up to 13% of your grade, which is unnecessary points given how challenging my grading already is. So make sure you memorize this. The other thing you can do that I want to point out, and you can do this from outside in the folder too, well, let's actually give the sucker a title. Let's say MLA template. So the other thing you can do is make a copy, and this will be a copy of MLA template. So if you go to write on a specific subject, that's where you would insert your title. So friendship paragraph, for example. And it will load friendship paragraph. This is an exact copy. Let's say it was due on a different date. Make sure that you change that. We'll say this was due on the 18th of October. But from here, I have all my settings already in place. I know that my format is accurate. And then when I go to work on it, if I am working on my iPad, it'll be working in the right format. When I go onto a computer to print it, instead of printing it directly from my iPad, I'll have all the proper information, and I'll have the proper spacing and the proper header. Hopefully this helps. Layer it out.